One BSF personnel has been injured in Pakistan firing in the Nikoval area of the Araspura sector. Firing in this area, remember, had started last night at about 10:30 p.m. and during the last 5 days, there have been 11 ceasefire violations. Pradeep is on the phone line with us. Pradeep, that is the point. Just look at the numbers. In the past 5 days, we are talking of 11 ceasefire violations.
Yes, there had been 11 ceasefire violations during the last 5 days, and there had been around about 5 ceasefire violations during the last 24 hours, all along the international border. Right now, there is a lot of tension in this area. Last night at about 10:30, there was a firing from the Pakistan side. They were not only using the small arms, but they had been firing the mortar. One of the BSF personnel who was on the duty there in Nikoval area in Araspura sector, he sustained splinter injury. He was to be evacuated to the hospital, though his condition is right now said to be stable. But still, the tension is all along the international border. We are seeing that the Pakistan had been making the desperate attempts from the line of control, failing to infiltrate terrorists from that side. Now they are trying to push in the terrorists from Araspura sector. The firing had been going on since yesterday, from the Araspura sector to Hiranagar and also in the Pargwal area. In Pargwal, they have not even spared the villagers. Also, 6 of the villagers who were working the field, including 3 children who were passing by, they sustained bullet injuries, and they are also evacuated. They have also been evacuated to the hospital. So a total of the 7 people, including 1 BSF personnel, have been injured during the last 12 hours in a fighting from the Pakistan side. Several of the Indian posts in the Araspura sector last night came under the fire. The firing continued till morning. Right now, there is but one can say it's an eerie calm. You never know when again the fighting will start, because that is the trend which we have seen during the last 5 days. So the BSF are on alert. They are trying to ensure that all the nefarious designs of the Pakistan are foiled. They have also retaliated with a heavy caliber weaponry to ensure that the Pakistani guns are silenced at the earliest, because many of these areas where the border is, there is international border, nearby are the villages. It is not that the Rangers are only firing on the Indian post, they are also targeting the villages. So because of this, the life has really become very difficult for the people putting up in these areas, and there is a kind of a fear psychosis has developed among them following the firing from the Pakistan side.
That's exactly the point, Pradeep. Isn't it? When the army had wrapped up the Keren operations, remember we'd heard that words coming in from the army that there will be such violations, there will be such infiltration attempts in the future, and that is why we have to be on guard always.
You are absolutely right. See, one need to understand that Pakistan, there are a large number of terrorists right now waiting on the launch pads. They have been patiently trying to cross over to this side. Because of the several obstacles on the line of control, they are not succeeded except for one odd incident, like one in the Shalabatu area where they tried to push in large number of terrorists, and also 3 of the dying that managed to sneak in from the international border with the aid of the twin terror attack. So they are just trying. They are keeping not only on the winter, but also on the 2014 assembly election, because they want to disrupt the political process.
Absolutely.
Democracy is something which
all right, Pradeep, I'm going to come back to you. Let's quickly listen into what the Chief Minister of the state, Umar Abdullah, has to say.
में नहीं आ रहा है कि इसके पीछे किसका हाथ है और ये क्या सोच के किया जा रहा है, क्योंकि हाल ही में कुछ दिन पहले हमारे वजीर आजम पाकिस्तान के वजीर आजम से मिले न्यूयॉर्क में। वहाँ पे इस सीज़फायर वायलेशन पे बात हुई और ये तय किया गया कि दोनों मुल्कों के जो आर्मी के DGMO हैं वो इसमें बात करके इसका कोई इलाज निकालेंगे, बजाय ये कि इसका कोई हल निकालें। मामला और गंभीर होता जा रहा है, और कल जिस तरह सिविलियन एरियाज पे शेलिंग की गई और हमारे कुछ बच्चे जख्मी किए गए, लगता नहीं है कि इनके इरादे कुछ सही हैं। मेरी तो यही गुजारिश होगी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ कि वो पाकिस्तान की हुकूमत के साथ इसको बड़े ज़ोर से टेक अप कर लें। अभी तक इस पीस प्रोसेस का सबसे कामयाब हिस्सा जो है ये सीज़ फायर रहा है।